Today I quickly want to talk to y'all about this Our Place non-stick ceramic frying pan. This is a frying pan that I've had for at least like 3 years now. And I use it almost every week and it's really great. Number one, it's got this nice sort of pink, sort of salmon hue to it that I really like. Comes in a full little set here, so you have not only the frying pan itself, but also a little strainer on the inside, as well as a wooden spoon that fits, as you can see, nicely right onto this little divot right here. So, you know, you can have a place to place your spoon or your stir once you're done using it, and then put the lid back on so that your food can continue cooking. One of the, besides it gets really hot, it's really lightweight, easy to handle. The one thing I will say though is that the non-stick portion of it kind of wore away after 3 years, and so it is almost very difficult to clean the bottom of it now. So I will say that if you're looking for something that will just sort of like wipe off like nothing, this might not be the pan for you. But other than that, very high quality ceramic pan, and would absolutely recommend it for someone that's cooking a lot.